What's up, y'all? Instagram, we're back with another video, and today I'm about to show you how to download imvu. Hold up. How to download imvu on laptop. So y'all stay tuned. We finna get started. So first thing is me on computer, so we can show you that it actually works. So what you do is go to your search bar. So fake. And then you search up imvu. I already have been playing with it, and it's gonna be when you log in your account. It's gonna show. You're gonna go to your home, but you gotta log in your account first. So we're gonna log out and sign back in. Boy. COVID. Hop in the motherfucking jet like that. Boom, that's the email out because I have to. I actually won a account. So let's put in our account.
Oh my god.
Oh, y'all can't see it. What is that? Y'all can't see it. Okay. Something.
Don't you like running around?
No. So look, this is my account. It's a boy because I actually won a account from TikTok. So then you're gonna go to my rooms and you're gonna try to get inside a room, and it's basically gonna tell you to download. See, it's gonna say download imvu app. You're gonna press download now. Oh, download now. Basketball. And then you're gonna press imvu like Windows or desktop. I'm on Windows. You're gonna wait till this is done, so we'll be back with your niggas. Alright, it downloaded, so you're gonna open. But boom, it's gonna press this, so you're gonna press install. You're gonna wait till this is done. So let's wait till that done. We get back when it's ready to be done, so you don't need to be back. Some. Ah! Yeah, I'm in love. Y'all can see my mouse's color. Color. You see that imvu button? Boom, it's loaded, so you be back when it no. So boom, it press up imvu login. So this is your logging in your imvu account. So let's log in, and y'all can't see my password, so that is super good. Boom. Why it look like this stuff? Alright, so imvu don't look like this, but trust me, it's imvu. You gotta dress up. Look. I didn't even know for myself. What is this? This not imvu, guys. But here go my avatar. That's literally my avatar. Oh, I think this a hack. Because I can add pants to my inventory, dog. Yo. Hold up, guys. This is not really the imvu, but like it really helps you get different pants and clothes and stuff. Why do I zoom out? Because I don't.
Is your iPhone? Get on phone.
No. Don't do it. Alright, boom, we're gonna zoom out. I'm so tall, bro. Bob, get out. Alright, boom, there go myself. We got shoes. These like some ugly. Oh, these are shoes I got in my inventory. I'm stupid. So this basically imvu, you know what I'm saying? These are the clothes I got. And it's understanding. Oh. insane. We gonna make a gaming video soon. We gonna make a gaming video soon. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the
It's got a phone.
video. Gonna be a video soon, and yeah, y'all be out.
Phone.
We out.